Dude, now I'm going to tell about different concepts. Here I start to tell how to find out different numbers. That is about Fibonacci numbers. If you take Fibonacci numbers, I'm going to tell how it going to arrive. The first two numbers are 0 and 1. Next, you need to continue this number. 0 plus 1 remains as 1, and 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. 3 plus 2 which becomes 5, and 5 plus 3 becomes 8. 8 plus 5 becomes 13, and 13 plus 8 going to become 21. 21 plus 13 which becomes 34. 34 plus 21 is becoming 55, and 55 plus 34 becomes 89. 89 plus 55 which becomes 90. 144, and 144 plus 89 becomes 2, this one 233. This 233 plus 144 becomes 377, and this 377 plus 233 which going to become 610. Like this Fibonacci number keeps on continuing. I start to tell about prime numbers. Let's find out what are prime numbers. One is the starting number, not even prime, and not even composite number. Let's start by the next number. If it is composite, let's write it as factors. Here 2 is a prime number, and let's take 3. So 2 can be written as 2 times of 1. 3, it is also prime number. It can be written as 3 times of 1. 4, 4 you can divide here. 4 can be divided as 2 times of 2. So you can write it as 2 times of 2, or it as 2 square. It is a composite number. Let's take 5. 5 you cannot divide by anything, so it is a prime number. Let's take next number 6. 6 you can divide like this, that is 6 can be written as 2 times of 3. So it is a composite number. You can write it as 2 times of 3. Let's take 7. 7 it is a prime number, so you need to write it as 1 times of 7. Let's take 8. 8 you can write it here, that is 8 can be written as 2 times of 4. Again 4 can be divided as 2 times of 2. This complete thing is 2 times of 2 times of 2. This is simplified way can be written as 2 cube. Let's take 9. 9 you can start here. If you take this 9, you can write here. 9 can be written as 3 times of 3. So 9 can be written as 3 times of 3, or it becomes 3 square. So it is also a composite number. Let's take 10. 10 you can divide here, that is 2 times of 5 becomes 10. So 10 can be written as 2 times of 5. Let's take 11, the next number. 11 you cannot divide anything, so it must be written as 1 times of 11. 12 you can divide it. Let's start dividing 12. 2 times of 4 is 12. 4 can be again divided as 2 times of 6 is 12. 6 can be again divided as 2 times of 3. So 12 can be written as 2 times of 2 times of 3. So it is equal to 2 square times of 3. 2 square times of 3. Let's take 13. 13 you cannot divide anything, it is a prime number. Let's take 14. 14 you can start dividing here. 14 can be divided as 2 times of 7 is 14, so you can write it as 2 times of 7. Let's take next number, which is 15. 15 you can start dividing here. 15 can be divided as 3 times of 5. So this 15 is a composite number. You can write it as 3 times of 5. Let's take 16. 16 you can start dividing here. 2 times of 8 is 16. 8 can be again divided as 2 times of 4. 4 can be again divided as 2 times of 2. 1 2 3 4 twos. Write here as 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2, or it can be simplified by written as 2 power of 4. Let's take 17. 17 you cannot divide anything, write it as 1 times of 17. Let's take 18. 18 you can start dividing here. 2 times of 9 is 18. 9 can be written as 3 times of 3. So it can be written as 2 times of 3 times of 3. or since there are two threes are there, 2 times of 3 square, you can write it as 19. It is a prime number, so you can write it as 1 times of 19. 20, let's start here. If you take this number 20, it is also a composite number. Let's start dividing this 20. 20 can be divided as 2 times of 10. 10 can be again divided as 2 times of 5. 5 you cannot divide. So this becomes 2 times of 2 times of 5. So this completely equal to 2 square times of 5. Let's take next number, that is 21. 21 you can start dividing. You can write it as 3 times of 7 is 21. 7 is also prime, 3 is also prime. So 21 is 3 times of 7. Let's write 22. 22 you can start dividing. That is, you can start writing 22 as here 2 times of 1 is 2, 2 times of 1 again 2. So 22 can be written as 2 times of 11. Let's take 23. 23 is also a prime number, so write it as 1 times of 23. Let's take 24. 24 you can start dividing. Let's divide it by 2. 2 1 times 2, 2 2 times 4. Again 12 can be divided as 2 6 times 12. 6 can be again divided as 2 3 times 6. So you can write it as 2 times of 1 2 3. 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 3. You can simplify and write 3 twos, so 2 cube times of that 3. 2 cube times of 3. Let's write 25. 25 you can divide, so divide here. 25 can be divided as 5 times of 5. So this 25 becomes 5 times of 5. Since there are two 5's, you can write it as 5 square. Let's divide 26. 26 also can be divided. Here you take this 26, start dividing by 2 one time and 2 3 times 16. 13 you cannot divide, it is a prime number. 2 times of 13. Let's take 27. 27 you can start dividing here. 27 can be written as 3 times of 9. 9 can be again divided as 3 times of 3. So 27 become 3 times of 3 times of 3. So there are 3 3's are there. So you can write it as 3 cube. Let's take the next number. After 27, you're going to take here 28. This 28 you can start dividing here. This one you can divide as 2 1 times is 2, 2 4 times is 18. Then 14 you can divide as 2 times of 7 is 14. Here 2 there are 2 twos, 2 times of 7. So you can write it as 2 square times of 7. This is going to become 28. And 29, 29 you cannot divide anything, so write it as 1 times of 29. Let's write what is 30. 30 can be divided here, that is 30 can be divided as 2 times of 1 and 1 it becomes 10. 2 times of 5 is 10. Again 15 can be divided, write it as 3 times of 5. You can write this 30 as 2 times of 3 times of 5. Now let's take one more number. Here you can take it like this, that is 31. 31 you can write it as 1 times of 31 because 31 is a prime number. Write what is 32. 32 you can start dividing here. 32 can be divided as 2 times of 1 is 2, 1 remains 12, 2 times of 6 is 12. 16 can be again divided, 2 times of 8 is 16. 8 can be again divided, 2 times of 4. 4 can be again divided as 2 times of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 twos, so write it as 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2. Or you can simplify and write it as 2 power of 5. Let's take next number, that is 33. 33 you can start dividing here. This 33 can be divided as 3 times of 11, 3 times of 1, 3 times of 1. So 33 becomes 3 times of 11. Let's take 34. 34 also can be divided. Take here 34. You can write it as 2 1 times 2. 1 and 4 remains 14. 2 times of 7 is 14. So 34 is 2 times of 17. Let's take 35. 35 you can divide it like this, that is here if you take 35, let's start by 5. 5 times of 7 becomes 35, so 35 is 5 times of 7. Let's take 36. 36 can be divided. If you take 36 here, you can write it as 2 times of 1 is 2, 1 remains 16, 2 times of 8 is 16. 18 you can divide it by 2 itself, so write it as 2 times of 9. 9 you can divide as 3 times of 3. You can get it as 2 times of 2 times of this one, 3 times of 3. So this is equal to 2 square times of 3 square, that is 36. Let's take 37. This 37 you cannot divide any further. So you can write this as equal to 1 times of 37. It is a prime number. Let's take 38. 38 you can divide here. 38 can be divided as 2 1 times. 1 remains 18. 2 times of 9 is 18. 19 you cannot divide any further. It is a prime number. So 38 can be written as 2 times of 19. Let's find out what is 39. 39 you can start dividing. You cannot divide by 2. Let's start dividing from 3. 3 times of 1 is 3. 3 times of 3 is 9. So 3 times of 13 you cannot divide more. It is prime number. So write it as 3 times of 13. Let's take next number. The next number is 40. 40 you can start dividing. You can you divide like this. 40 can be divided as 2 times of 2, and 2 times of 0 comes like that. 2 times of 1 is 2 and 0 comes with it. 2 times of 5 is 10. So you're going to get here 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 5, or you get it as 2 cube times of 5. Let's take next number, that is 41. 41 can be written as 1 times of 41. So because 41 is a prime number. Let's take 42. 42 you can write it as, you need to divide here. This 42 can be divided as 2 times of 2 is 4, 2 times of 1 is 2. And again 21 can be written as 3 times of 7. So it becomes 2 times of 3 times of 7. So it is the prime factorization of 42. 43. 43 you cannot divide further because it is a prime number. 1 times of 43. 43 is a prime number. And let's find out what is 44. You can divide 44 like this. 44 can be divided as 2 times of 2 is 4, 2 times of 2 again 4, and 2 times of 1 is 2, 2 times of 1 again 2. So it becomes 2 times of 2 times of 11. So this becomes 2 square times of 11, that is 44. Let's find out next problems. Here they are giving out this thing. Let's find out 45. You can take 45 here. After taking 45 you can start dividing it. 45 means here let's take 45 can be divided as 3 times of 1, and 15 3 times of 5 is 15. Again 15 can be divided as 3 times of 5. So 45 becomes 3 times of 3 times of 5. So this equal to 3 square times of 5. That is prime factorization of 45. Let's take and divide 46. 46 you can start dividing here. 2 times of 2 is 4. 2 times of 3 is 6. You cannot divide anything by 23. Not even 2, not even 3. So it becomes 2 times of 23. It is prime factorization. 47 you cannot divide any further in 47. So write it as 1 times of 47. 47 is a prime number. 48 you can start dividing here. 48 can be divided as 2 times of 2 is 4, 2 times of 4 is 8, and 24 can be again divided. 2 times of 1 is 2, 2 times of 2 is 4. 12 you can again divide as 2 times of 6. 6 can again be divided as 2 times of 3. 1 2 3 4. There are 4 2's. 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 3. So you can write it as 2 power of 4 times of 3. Let's take next number, which is 49. 49 it can be written as, can be divided. as 7 times of 7. So this becomes 7 times of 7, or it can be written as 7 square. 50 you can divide it. 50 can be divided like this. 50 can be written as 2 times of 2 is 4, 1 10. It is 2 times of 5 is 10. Then 5 times of 5 is 25. So this is going to become 2 times of 5 times of 5. So this is 2 times of 5 square. At last, let's find out what is 51. 51 you can write it as 51 here. 3 times of 1 and 3 times of 7 is 21. It becomes 3 times of 17, that is 51. Bye.